Hi, I'm Elise, part of the Jackson's fencing team, and this is our Whitstable Courtyard gate. The gate is expertly crafted to combine the robustness of metal with the natural warmth of our timber, creating a modern yet timeless look. The sleek black powder-coated finish gives a contemporary look, while the vertical tongue and groove effect timber infill provides privacy and charm from every angle. Engineered for lasting performance, gate posts are supplied alongside the gate for adequate support and come powder-coated black as standard. Like all our courtyard gates, Whitstable has an internal galvanised steel frame to prevent twisting and warping, and is built to last with its discreet adjustable hinges. The Whitstable gate is fitted with a reliable and attractive gate lock and comes with a metal gate stop, or it can be automated with your choice of opening and closing mechanism. For added convenience, we offer gate automation for all our courtyard gates, whether you choose a swing or sliding design. Our systems combine safety, reliability and smart technology, so you can open and close your gate effortlessly. The Whitstable Courtyard gate delivers the perfect balance of security, sophistication and style, making it an ideal choice for any property. Whitstable is made at our headquarters in Kent from high-quality steel and specially selected timber, which is kiln-dried and pressure-treated to protect against rot and insect attack. Like all our courtyard gates, Whitstable is supplied with our industry-leading 25-year Jakcure and service life guarantees.